over there is a small little house. And over here is my castle. Let me put this umbrella down. My name is Queen Lucinda. I live right there in that castle, and I decided to walk outside my castle and visit some people in the kingdom. The first person I thought to visit was my very own friend, the wizard. Oh, I forgot what his name was. Oh dear, I'm such a queen. I've been so busy. I forget. I think he lives right here. Look, it's a magical house. It's stuck right behind the tree. Look at it. Let's see if I can find him. No, he's not around there. Wizard! Well, it would be probably much better if I called his name. You know, being the queen, I usually have a list of all the names. I have so many royal subjects, and I can't seem to remember the name of the wizard. Oh, dear me. What's the wizard's name? Ooh. Jonathan? Peter? Harry? I just can't remember. I'll have to go back to the castle and look up all the names and look up wizard. Hello. Oh, the queen was supposed to visit me. I was so looking forward to it. Oh dear, did she go inside the house? I don't think she went inside the house at all. Did you see the queen? I'm pretty upset that she's not here yet. But I didn't hear her call my name. My name's Jeremiah, and this is my house. It's right by that tree, you see. I'm pacing, you know, because she's not here yet. Dum 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 do. Oh, a flower. It just grew. Oh, I am a wizard. Go away, flower. Grow up, flower. Go away, flower. I don't need a flower. I think it's the suggestion that I really like Lucinda. She was supposed to come down from that castle and come see me, but I don't see her here at all. Oh, that sounds like her. Hello. Hello, Lucinda. Hello, wizard. I don't think she remembers my name, and we've known each other for so long. That's very upsetting. Hello, why can't I remember his name? Well, Lucinda, would you like to enter and visit my lovely little house right here in the forest? Oh, that would be so nice. Jeremiah, it's Jeremiah. Oh, it's Jeremiah. Jeremiah was a bullfrog. No, a wizard here. He was a good friend of mine. Yes, I am, that's clear. I never understood a single word he said. When you say your spells in rhyme. Oh, well, it's lovely to see you. And it's nice to see you today. I come down from the castle, and I am here in the forest, and I'm glad you came to visit and to play. La 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 la